Welcome back, good people. So don't worry, this tutorial is not about how you connect batteries in a circuit, but it is about how to connect circuit to a power source so you don't have to use batteries anymore. So that means saving on money for not using batteries. So let's get started. So the things we need are a power adapter, which I bought from Dollar Tree for $1, a USB cord, same from Dollar Tree for $1, and any circuit for which you would like to change the power source. Now we are going to do this in 3 easy steps. Step 1, cutting the wire. So we take the USB cord and cut the non-USB end. So we don't need the other end, you can throw it. Step 2 is cutting through the wire. Now when you cut through the wire, you see that there are 4 small wires. One of them will be negative voltage and the other will be called the positive voltage. And the other 2 in between, I don't know what they do, but you don't need them. Step 3 is connecting the wire. Once you remove the batteries from the circuit, you see that there is positive and negative marking on the battery pack. You just have to connect the negative voltage to the negative marking and the positive voltage wire to the positive marking. By connecting, I mean just making sure that you make a contact between the wire and the metal part of the body case. And how do you do that? It is on you. I'm sure you guys will figure it out. Make sure it stays connected. Now the moment of truth, testing. Connect the USB wire to the power adapter. And there it is. It works just fine. And without any batteries in it. So now this is an extra step to make sure that all the wires in the circuit are connected well. So we just super glue everything together so that they stay connected. For here I am using super glue, which I bought from Dollar Tree, a nice fixing tool. And there you have it, voila! So save money on batteries and say no to batteries now. So friends, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. So if you have some amazing ideas like this, you can share it in the comment section. I'll make sure that I implement this on my channel. So see you next time guys, and before that, remember, if it is wonderful, it's powerful.